Hi guys, thanks for viewing, thanks for liking, and thanks for subscription. Thanks for subscribing. Don't forget this Gentle Shadow Video Tech channel. Gentle Shadow Video Tech. I thank my viewers because it's not easy to search for any information or to view somebody's page these days, because before someone can view, it's not easy. It requires skills, ability to think, ability to search on an information. Thanks for viewing, and don't forget this channel is Gentle Shadow. Subscribe to receive notification for the new video. Let's begin. In this video, I'm gonna tell you the latest way to set up your security, to set up your Chrome, the latest way to set up your Chrome. Now let's begin. First, click on this 3-line icon on the head view of your Chrome. Now click on settings. Now the latest updates of Chrome have added more securities. Click on privacy and settings and security. Sorry guys. Click on it. Here are the ways you can set up your security, but I'm gonna show you how to set up your security. Here are the security types. We have enhanced protection, standard protection, no prompt, no recommendation, no recommended. These are the security, but to set up your security and still, like if you love to secure Chrome more, click on enhanced protection. Here Google will be monitoring all the bad activity. Whenever a bad site try to breach your security, it will send you notification and protect you. This is downloading security. In this standard security, Google will warn you against sites downloading. Also keep you safe. Here are the security. If you want to read more about their security standard, click on this arrow icon on the head side, then see there for enhancement, see the requirement you require, or what you can do on your device, what you can do in your Chrome. Now see the standard one and what you can do on your phone, on your device. Move back. There is more to show you guys. Now move back, and also here is one of the new features Google Chrome update to. This one here, you can check all the activities, all your safety activities. Check how your security is being breached. Know them. That's the place. There is this one also. Here is always mistake people usually do. Now, if you are watching to this length, I'm gonna show you mistake people usually do. Or if you are irritating about notification, internet notification, sometimes it may be you that give them the access to show you their notification. Here are the notification button. Each one you turn off here, the app will switch, the notification will be switched off, no notification will be sent to you. Here are the certification notifications. Here are the notifications. That's it. And that's it. And also make sure, this is one of the tips, also make sure that each time you save your password, no, as in delete some, leave the only legit one you are using. Most of all, password your and lock your Chrome with security like app lock. That's it, to avoid breaching of people or applications. That's it. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and click the bell icon to receive notifications of my new videos. Don't forget, this is Gentle Shadow Video Tale for you guys. Security. Thanks for watching.